Hi, I am Rajul Makadia, Director of Adroit Pharmachem Private Limited, Vadodara. As a part of our environment policy, we always try to reduce our residuals, emissions, and our carbon footprints on the environment. As a part of that, we decided to go for solar energy generation plant, and for that we choose Teravon Solar Private Limited as our supplier. We are very much thankful to Teravon for completing the project promptly, timely, and perfectly. This has resulted in the reduction of electricity bill every month, almost around 35 to 40% every month, with a only one-time capital investment. Teravon is the best partner for solar project installers. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Abhinav Aga and I am one of the directors of Sona Agrotechs Private Limited. Last year we installed a captive solar power plant through Teravon Solar Energies Private Limited. Our overall experience was very good. They completed the project in the time that they had given us, and the maintenance and service over the last 1 year has been excellent. And I would like to recommend them highly to all the other people. Thank you.